Wonderful tonight. 2 War 32 counts. It's a nightclub dance, high intermediate level. Right leg will start. Rock right forward, recover onto left. You will do a switch step, stepping right together. Rock left forward, recover onto right. Now do a 3/4 left turn into a nightclub basic. So half left, stepping left forward, and a quarter left, stepping right to the side. So you face to your 3 o'clock walk. Left foot you do a back rock. So rock left back, recover weight onto right foot. Now step left to the side, a long step. Doing a left basic. Right leg, rock back, recover weight onto left. And you do a kind of a reverse spiral half right turn. So weight on the left foot, reverse half spiral turn. So you end up facing with this 9 o'clock walk, weight on the left foot. Right leg, you do a rock back. So rock right back, recover on the left foot, do another reverse half right spiral, weight still on the left foot. So now back to 3 o'clock walk. Right leg, rock back, so weight, rock right back, recover onto left, rock right forward. Recover onto left foot, a quarter right, stepping right to the side. You will face 6 o'clock walk, cross rock, left over right. Recover weight on the right foot, stepping left, slightly to the side or together. Then step right forward, 6 o'clock walk. Now we'll do a full right turn, step left forward, pivot, half right turn, big on right foot. Continue to turn another half right, stepping left back, sweep right back, and you're going to twist our upper body, half right turn, big on the right foot. 12 o'clock walk, twist back, another half left turn, big on the left foot, back to 6 o'clock walk, and sweep right forward. From here, so back to 6 o'clock walk. You're going to do a twinkle step with a close. So cross, side, close. When you close, angle body slightly to the diagonal, right, which is a 730. Cross left over to start the weave. Cross left over, stepping right to side, squaring back to the 6 o'clock walk. Cross left behind, sweep right back. Right leg, you're going to do a sailor step. Right, sailor step with a slight drag. Step onto left foot and you swing upper body left, swing right, swing left as you make a quarter turn, left to 3 o'clock walk. Right leg, you're going to do a forward mambo, right, forward rock, recover left, stepping right back, that's a right forward mambo. You do a 3/4 turn left in total to 6 o'clock walk, half left turn, stepping left forward, step right forward, pivot a quarter turn, left to 6 o'clock walk, big ending on the left. And that's the end of the dance. Start all over again from the 6 o'clock walk. Let's go through the step one more time. Right rock, recover, switch, left rock, recover, turn, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, reverse spiral, back rock, reverse spiral, back rock, forward rock, recover, quarter, cross rock, recover, ball, front, step, turn, turn, sweep, twist, twist, sweep, twinkle, close, cross, side, behind, sweep, sailor, step, drag, swing, swing, quarter, drag, forward, mambo, turn, step, turn. Now do a bit of counting as we do the steps. Rock right forward, 1, 2, switch, and rock left forward, 3, 4, the 3/4 turn, and 5. Back rock, 6 and 7, 8 and spiral, 1, and do a back rock, 2 and spiral, 3, back rock, 4 and 5, recover, 6, quarter, and cross, 7, recover, 8, and stepping together, 1, forward, full turn, 2, and turn back sweep, 3, twist, 4, and sweep, 5, cross, side close, or finger, 6 and 7, weave, and 8, and sweep, 1, sailor step, 2 and 3, swing, 4 and 5, forward mambo, 6 and 7, the 3/4 turn, and 8, and that is our dance. Let's do it in continuous pros with the counting. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and 8, and start dance again from the beginning. Let's do it from the back wall. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and 8 and that end of wall, 1 facing the back wall. I will demonstrate at the front wall first. Right leg forward, rock, do a stepping back, right foot, half left turn, stepping left forward, step right forward, to do a pivot half left turn. So forward, rock, back, turn, step, turn. Counting 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now this step is nice at the back wall at the end of wall 1. So let's do it the back wall. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. There's a restart on wall 3 and wall 4. Wall 3 will start from the front wall. You will do 16 end count and restart at the back wall. So rock 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 16 and count, restart nice from the back wall. Now wall 3, 16 and count, restart at 6 o'clock wall. Wall 4, immediately from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, another 16 and count to restart. So let's do the wall 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and restart once again from the beginning. Hope you will enjoy.